Hello and good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe about this Mercedes. It's 21 models Cla A45 Mercedes AMG. We are going to find out the chassis. We are in number location for this 2021 Cla A45. So stay with us. Don't skip the video. We will move back to there. Don't skip the video. So stay with us. High level clubbers, tire rims. Rim side is 19 rims. It's 225 or Michelin tire. Dimension 4MATIC turbo. Toll sensors, including with the key control in here. It's all four sensors, or all four side doors. AMG performance. Sporty type. For extra sport kits, this bag special tire calls for the tires, spare tire, Mercedes-Benz. Check out the right drive. Just the seat adjustment in here right now to drive the sports car in here back to the. It's amazing. Get the side LED sporty lights in here. Have the chrome in here. We have something unique. Probably in here. Nice. You can control adjustment in here. It's rolling up. This is in the mood in here. Connect in here, and this is showing here on the modes. So you can select it here directly to the individuals. Slippery and comfort. For the normal drive, you should have to use the sport, the normal, the comfort, and the comfort one. So this is the basic information related to that's the drive moves and the other suspension here. So they can reduce it up and down. Okay, thermals. Just a simple. Control in here. So back to the compact one, and then the simple one in here. Sport is there in the normal position. Let's check the drive mode in here. The 360 camera is working nicely. Let me try this. Let's go back to find out the chassis number. I should have to reduce the sound of this video because there was much more noisy on the engine compartment, and you cannot hear me properly on my voice because that's why it's noisy. So I should have to reduce the sound. So back to the chassis number. They mention on the top the VIN number, but under that area is located there on the front side. You can see on the fire area behind the turbo. They mentioned the right there. The punchy number is located there. So this the number is. I hope you like and you subscribe our channels. Give your likes, your comments, and ask for many more questions. Thanks for watching.